Good morning, students. Today we will do some questions. Here, question number first. The age of two friends Ani and Biju differ by 3 years. Means here difference of Ani and Biju age is 3 years. Who is more older? That is not given to you. So according this, you will take Ani age is X years. You will suppose this, and Biju's age you will suppose Y year. So according this question, we have two case here. If Ani is older than Biju, then we have X equal to Y plus 3, and if Biju is older than Ani, then we have Y equal to X plus 3. Now second case is what is given. Ani's father Dharam is twice as old as Ani. Okay, Ani's father Dharam is twice as old as Ani. So here in this case you can see that Ani's father Dharam is twice as old as Ani. Ani is age is X year. Ani age is X year. So what is the age of Dharam will be 2x. Okay. And second case is given that Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. Means here Biju is twice as old as her sister Kathy. Here age of Biju we know, age of Biju is Y. So Kathy will be the half of Biju. Why? Biju is 2 into age of Kathy, means Kathy equal to half of Biju, and Biju is Y. So age of Kathy we have Y upon 2 year. Next is given the age of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 year, means age of Kathy and Dharam. Dharam is here older than the Kathy, you can see. So here this age of Dharam minus age of Kathy means 2x minus y by 2 equal to 30 we have. So this we have to solve first. Look here, we get this case, and in this you will put the value of x. Value of x means these two equations you will take first and third, and you put here place of x you put y plus 3. You open this bracket, you get 4y plus look here, you will open this bracket, 2y plus 6 minus y by 2 equal to 30 you get. Now all these you will multiply by 2, because 2 y by 2 given, so you will multiply. So you will take LCM and everything you will solve. You get y plus 12 minus y equal to 60. 4y minus y will be 3y, and 60 minus 12 you do, that you get 48. So 3y equal to 48 you get, and then finally y equal to 16 we get. And what is the y we will put here in equation 1. So you will get x equal to 90. Now what is here Ani age? Ani age is x, and x we get 19 year. And what is the age of Biju? Biju age is y year, and y we get 16. So Biju age is 16. Hope you understand this. Here one more part we have, the second case we will take. Now this equation 3 and second we will take, and we will solve. Means equation number 3 we will put the value of y. Here this we will put the value, and we will solve again. Y we will put here, place of y we put x plus 3. Now you take LCM. LCM will be 2, and then here will be 4x minus bracket x plus 3 and equal to 30, and that you will solve. You will get this equation 4x minus x and minus 3 equal to 60. 4x minus x will be 3x, and 3 you will transfer, so you will get 60 plus 3 63. So finally you get x equal to 21. Now x equal to 21 you will put in equation number 2, that you have y equal to x plus 3. Place of x you put 21, so 21 plus 3 is 24. Now here x we get 21 and y we have 24. So current age of Ani is 21 and Biju age is 24. So here two case we have, and hope you understand these two case. One say, give me 100 friend. So look here, we will suppose here amount of first friend have x rupees, amount with the second friend is y rupees. So if the first friend who have x rupees money will give 100 rupees to the second friend who have y money, then what will happen? The first friend will have x plus 100 rupees, and the second friend will have y minus 100, because the y will give 100 rupees to the first friend. Okay, so first friend will have more money 100 rupees and second friend will have less 100 rupees. Now what is say this first friend to the second friend, I shall then become twice as rich as you. Means this first x plus 100 is twice that y minus 100. Okay, now you will open this bracket 2y minus 200 and you transfer this 100, then you will get x equal to 2y minus 300. This is the equation you will get. Now what is the second condition is, look here. Now the other reply means who reply, the second friend reply, if you give me 10, means this look here, we have x will give 10 rupees to the second friend, then what will happen, y will have more money y plus 10 and x will have less money x minus 10. Then what is the condition, I shall be 6 times as rich you, means why the second friend say that I will be 6 times rich as you, means 6 into x minus, you open this bracket you get 6x minus 60 and you transfer this 10, you get y minus 6x equal to 70. This value of x equal to 2y minus 300 you put in equation number 2. Okay, in this equation 2 you put place of x, so place of x you put 2y minus 300, you get y minus 6 bracket 2y minus 300 equal to 70. You open this bracket you get y minus 12y plus 1800 equal to minus 70. Now y minus 12y will be minus 11y and 1800 you transfer to right hand side, you get minus 70 and minus 1800, that will be minus 1870 you get. Now minus minus you cancel, you divide by 11, you get y equal to 170, means the second friend have 170 rupees. Now this value of y you will put in equation 1. In equation 1 you put the value of y. So what will happen, x equal to 2 into 170 minus 300, that you get 40, means the first friend have 40 rupees and second friend have 170 rupees. So you can write this answer that one friend have one means here not a necessary first friend, you can write here one friend have 170 and second friend have 140 rupees. So hope you